Let's learn about finding the union of two sets. We'll solve this step by step with a specific example. We have two sets. Set A, which contains the elements 2, 3, and 4, and set B, which contains the elements 1, 2, and A. Let's visualize these sets using a Venn diagram. Here we have two overlapping circles, one for set A and one for set B. Let's place each element in its correct region. The union of sets A and B, written as a union B, includes all elements that are in either set A or set B or both. In our Venn diagram, this means we include everything in both circles. Let's write out our solution step by step. First, we list all elements from set A, 2, 3, and 4. Then we add any elements from set B that aren't already listed, 1 and A. Notice that we don't list 2 twice, even though it appears in both sets. Therefore, the union of set A and set B is the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and A. This includes all elements that appear in either set A or set B or both sets. Remember, when finding the union of two sets, first include all elements from the first set. Then add any new elements from the second set that weren't already included. The union contains all elements that appear in either set with no duplicates.